About your check the time, 26 after 3. Utie Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. Yeah. First Friday in September. It happens to be the 3rd of September 2021. A free cyber copy of radio Ofie Kwanso. Now, said the only that I saw to me on Facebook was here. Now, you're checking your share the corner there, the videos of our time, Bebrel, and watching a better somewhere edition for Jimmy. So, and that's your come on, hard there. Dinner, bedding now, you know about Gloria so hard. Oh, no, you can't say, Adom FM any dance trouble. Yes, sponsor Obia Manako, Dubai, Akojina, free of charge. Oh, no, we need it. And then anybody can share any experience with us on the show. Akojina ni papa. In the meantime, Kiss toothpaste. A special toothpaste I have for Mofra. Yes, your toothpaste I'm penny for editrice. Put the mama friend tree almost saying, yeah. That's all my corn no cross on the tree almost saying. When you are to watch the strawberry, I want to come up high. Timofana crown down, then no money, you want somebody to be true. It protects your gum, not prevents a cavity. And mom is strong and healthy. About the freshness there all day. And Timofana from 2 to 6 1. Yeah, now one more use to Kiss toothpaste. What it? FDI Mushumaja to so have been Samara company for Nako Fadiaba. Kids, happy smile. Now, young fast dama Pan-African Savings and Loans. And they are to promotion work of Adiaba. From the 1st of July, and I shall say September, but soon they try to have a baby. What to take a ni rate SO, make sure ni interest rate. Into you by G-Loan, interest rates now at Kakania de Bemano. They say you have to swap from cry. It's to take advantage of the reduced rate, never grow business. Pan-African Savings and Loans at share quite Accra, make sure Greater Accra, Affe Eastern, Central, Ashanti, and I have 4 regions in Nemu. What they say, Benny Betia, one offer now watching baby. I will bet sure your branch your bill, no banana business 057 555 7777. That's 057 555 777. Choose Pan-African, choose greater strength. Dominion about powder. And also never build a strong immune system. There be a hold and then they are be a team may eat a chengu. So what I say? And normalize blood pressure no kidney na face so heart related problems in there if you stroke diabetes in there. You can't do any jade. Ubenya bi herbal shops ahodo ni nyina mu across the country. Dodo partnership Angels Dominion Herbal Center share kwan won koko. Ube fry 020 429 6449 afi 0543 158 195. Dominion Herbal Powder, your #1 immune booster. Floral disposable handkerchief. Abuja say usual cloth handkerchief here shobotum sa now we are no asande shobotum here no the be. Say we no a floral disposable handkerchief. O people we ya na what to actually simple. To tell me na what to correct. You know what I'm saying? Also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towel, floral table napkins, as well as floral box tissues in a shop near you. Dodo partner for Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 303. Your phone number is 0243 033 033. That's 0243 033 033. Now my referee said, and chest freezes. And no encodan channel. Food processors. And also encodan channel. Chese Obasima see products be OGB. Microwave ovens near there. You didn't know chow. I would you so near Obasima actually there. So how well do you know about Eye Obasima seal? Bomodian, Edu and one frame and Wajwade, what we need big. I shall say last Tuesday. Now, at one copy the 25th of September 2021. Oh, answer some simple questions about Basima. And there are over 100 chest freezers, microwave ovens, food processors, and plenty of Basima food products. So, what are you waiting for? Look out for foods with a Basima seal. Learn more about Basima. Now, what we need big time. Choose foods with a Basima seal. Stay strong, stay healthy. And no one, someone, no. And now, so what done them we? But still, now, no Puma drinks, no there. Them are named Pound. Say, yeah, cola, and I say orange. Yeah. Forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, you need to be confident, be determined, and be joyful. But Sanka, yeah, with Puma drink. If I check your WhatsApp, 150 pesos per, it's a whole new vibe. They are available on major distribution and wholesale points across the country. Dodo Power Freight Casa Preco Company Limited 0262 351 251. And Kratwe FDI Mushimwaja to say Emuye na Ohaubia anyhow. Abusia joining me on Facebook says na make us say Gloria Atnase. Wakodubai akwajina niya my team say yes. Na nimu nyina dro nije za. Ya nini nim kwa aka. Na on chain said the nyama sikofa right from the start no kra na o gidi o misa ampa o betimi akodu. Meantime, it's been 25 amazing years with you. And to celebrate this milestone, MTN, Air Mount, Sonata, Mako 25, our MTN at 25 mega promo no emu. Eti koswa so be use your MTN number no dia kasa dia test dia browse. We use MTN app no pulse app no na fe momo no. What gather points? Now so wetimi anya kai mu baako. Yes. Star 156 hash. Now share Jenny Nase. Now sweat me win it big everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. If I try join me on Facebook, Yannick Gloria and Nick is here. Tell now for videos of our time and twice. Upeso Bibia, Ubesia na cred ya Ubehia HD plus decoder. And no and a Bibia viewing experience no 5 times clearer. Now when you 5 times better and brighter pictures. What I say, about the picture quality now. With them. Now, if you already have a Samsung HD, that's a UHD or QLED TV, bet me are connected to a multi-TV dish. No, now I download the my HD Plus and that's my HD app. No, at the Samsung App Store. Enjoy that viewing experience. Now be and feeling pepe no. And yes, I corner kotoe an HD plus decoder from the nearest Electroland outlet and now a multi-TV dealer bia and chain or my fana baby. Now every HD plus decoder bia or betono. So to me activate, you know. What I say, wa brow dial star 879 hash. Now what follow prompt no to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 months free subscription. Now after the free trial period, no. I hope you also dial star 879 hash. Now, what subscriber for either 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months package. What I said, and only a 7 cities, 25 cities, 60 cities, and then 100 and that's a 210 cities, respectively. Existing multi-TV decoders in it. What the problem? Yes, I'll fin our control dish for their boss. What the board that done so now? Not just in a Juma. Gloria, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brother Jerry.
Now, I want to say, hey, Gloria, be microphone kakran. Hey, Brother Jerry. Hey, Gloria. Bibia boko there. Okay, Gloria, you do come up briefly. Now, radio is one etia na also. Baby, I shall na utia. And I ask you. Your baby says questions kakran ya show me bebo momodin. Now, wow, tibe ye no. That's one lucky listener. ye be fan ho ka nyina de na figa na ha de na kwakọ piem e wo Dubai na wono so atimi akọgi nani a e wa bra wontua hwe what is asem in the first place now gidi
nyame nim no krani say no na menjin di bebre
now what doubts kakra
na what doubts kakra e bi ade we kra bit me aye scam because e ba na say no bit me for bi ka ho ina say
yes.
need to kwan ava me mom dear. Even though I believe that because adverts on Ghana's #1 radio station, but not still doubts kakra wo ho.
Okay. Now, on the day now, yeah, competition, you know. I'm up for free. Ebi no more bomb modern, but obi cry to me from about unfortunately on the passport. I aspire as you now. Ebi no so opportunity so more anti-me and season ye, and then from nowhere. Gloria BPM. At that time now, Okono, because getting through no adding, so for a bit more answers, not pa, but so binyano. And you be a friend, no, how difficult was it?
It was very, very difficult, very Jerry. Yeah, first, my friend on my phone, so my friend was my sister phone, so now encode through cram, puna. Yeah, can say, yeah, a call waiting. Inti na afin podium aba mu buba say bikra and to mama means yeah then empire sa and finally
a fire inti you bisa questions now ultimate try ya show say what we need now na ye do ko Dubai at that very moment no how was the feeling like
Roger nothing a minisia jesia fan and name easy.
Wow.
Me both said the family neighborhood I was so exhilarated. It wasn't easy for me that day. I was very
okay, now Gloria, catch it. After Bibia said that if you want you and you be able to say Chalona or you could Dubai near there. Process net to say your ma a dance for and no casa all the passport details my any idea now walk us through the process net to say
okay a dance for no normally very patient with me or normally very kind the whole process just a man bread bibia everything went on smoothly so
and now Ofie on the D-Day Udu Kutuka International Airport Terminal 3 and I was hey, mina mini.
Budget, I'll send now me kaya no. Mina mini. Just say, manji and it so semi do Dubai ho.
Just oh, no plane mo go to Kakra, still not down so.
Not still made out to me say, and I the mail coin counting chain although on the way in a ticket look I was stated say could Dubai but still I didn't believe it until semi do Dubai.
Okay, so on board the flight, I mean, how was the flight from Kutuka to Dubai? Not experience, need to say.
Before, and I am a first travel. Before say me caught na plane before me Quentin, I heard things say a bit to me feel plane but I felt normal when I sat in the plane. I don't know, so na miniaja but I didn't feel weird. I felt so normal.
You know, turbulence hard beer say and so okay, now young from Dubai. We do Dubai now we see or airport or any idea say hey Joe mina mini also boy and come kakra.
In fact, now as a level I change. Levels don't change, right? Wonderful.
Oh man!
Who the kind of atmosphere?
Yeah.
In fact, I was so happy.
Wow, me per se be kasa ache bi se bia na but share wo experience with us. We do Dubai no. The places you visited near there near ma hu ye kakra obetimi ani a check kakra.
Okay, you have visited plenty places, plenty.
A lot.
Let's say, I feel like I need a whole year to be able to see the whole of Dubai. To be honest, because maybe
honestly, you know.
Yeah, plenty. Safari.
So, you mean the desert safari?
Desert safari. Dubai Mall. Palm Jumeirah, Atlantis. you call Jumeirah Mosque, you call so many places. But it was, in fact, a dancer for ya. Maybe I'm we were so happy.
Yeah. And what was your take on the kind of food you enjoyed?
Okay. To be honest, Dubai food, it wasn't my thing.
Yes, can't look right.
Inti name the past Ghanaian restaurants for
Sankofa restaurant.
Inti wa
the one jeja ho Sankofa side okra.
The bit that no watching on see a camera. Then couldn't see a camera.
Yeah. All right. Me tintin. Inti now that when you have the opportunity to work experience Dubai abane ade. Then now be catch both Adom FM and then Adansi Travels.
Okay, me person me take this opportunity na me da Adansi Travels as because for this wonderful exposure and send treaty and nipa day it's not easy but it's not more your patience. They handled everything expertly. They were so kind and caring. Me don't must be prepared say omubi esa kunyanso and I mesan swat that Adom FM Jerry Justice for any crew nyina African obia me don't must be brave say more allow it dance more like you created the avenue for me to be exposed to the world like this. I really appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. God richly bless you all.
And if Ubinsu will feel no doubt about Adansi Travels, we organize another one be among for is here, then I'll be catching such people.
There be and say some other option because the way they handled us one lady on the trip catch me so no ankasa ba Dubai on her own but on her dance for by places that wako kono no ankasa ba went me anko I assure you say Adansi is the best travel agency to go to if you are planning on traveling outside the country.
That's a good one. Gloria edawase nti say there one where Gloria Dubai
me Abna Dubai.
Hey, Abna Dubai. What you do, Ruta? The freshest Dubai burger, Papa. Gloria Edase pa. Nyaminka, why? I hope say someday opportunity you will be you make sure for people for why. Have a nice weekend, why?
Thank you.
Okay. Charlie, no be easy. Gloria called Jin and Yangas. I was all kind of places in the ground. Just say, just say, baby, there, them. You know what I'm saying? I feel young 5 videos of our time and twaso. Unyamba Facebook, joining on Facebook, Cecilia. Joining on Facebook says and Mary Obi on Facebook says, hey, Brad Jerry, one day I will go there. You got to go there. All right, so you have 5 videos of our time. And trust when you may of your dorsum, but Yamitia CD, you be yenina, Sunny upon, you be yenina. Now, Adaroma, Omwa, the crime, ama ye did videos of our time, bro. Aquatap water purification tablet. What I say now, we know a self-dissolving tablet are only 2 sumwa, and my isuno etekrogena, and more beer on sumubiano, a kunkumomuna, na isuno I come at the amount said the bear unkonya waterborne diseases bia. And ya what aquatap food safe, and non wako chroma fruits and vegetables they are befin, and fat ordinary water and washing, not and shall see ni. For aquatap food safe a wash na bacteria and germs near the na enkomuna said could dear unyo how be and no and wasem and no. When you be out to chemical shops, pharmacies near so supermarkets are all pinenum across the country. One can up do for 020-907-7726 and our fake Kumasi phone phrase 050-169-4275. Kofuria phone phrase 0244-593-381. Na the dobia mu here bia ne fan som afei food lovers rice and also a moi e de ye ya to ebo ase aron ne kama pa Now, very, very easy to cook. And it tastes great in every grain. Come on, pa. Say fried rice, jollof rice, wachi. Any rice meal be our person or prepare biano. Choose Food Lovers Rice. Nabun Sampase Jerry Kanya Wamwa. Food Lovers Rice. Made for better eating experience. Nimokwe Adama. And ye day videos of our time. Bro. E pacho yan share sa video African Jeko. Yanko. Na video ya mi ya chrewi. Unse omu a na bibia ba yesi enkrofo bi hye baabi omo ye nema bi na bi a omo de man krofo aduane bi enkrofo bi ye ho nte na at the end of the day no wa udi sa aduane ni bi ni kura otepe na ye mu ahyehye nanso enipa bonifo nya de omo ye de ka na ese ekoso ane eka mepa cho hwe we enya Ghana ha de nanso we eya de bi a ye yi se be ya yen as Ghana for sometimes I wonder why abaning timi mwa poultry farmers emom timi nya poultry no ma enkwa nanka enso yeso nanka yen krasa niam we kura mfiri obi man so ne de aba abidi because hwe de oya ade yi hwe enkoko a yakumom a omo ede bre nipa manipa awe hwe processor wode fam atie fam hwe we miami timi because sa chemical akona wode moa no wura mu no minim chemical ni di na makochechire mi bi wo de moa mo hwe ade no Facebook o pacho bra Facebook is here Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook was a san kokona sa no de mo wura adima to say some adro bi wom ode akokɔ no hyem no yi ni pie pe na akokɔ no kala na sesa na chesa ma ye akono bi sa ne ade chale. Why? What are we doing to ourselves? Enti we ya poultry farm wa ha ye bibia na se ebesuen na ye nkwaje abrochefo de bia se no ase ade o ha na enjoy ade o ha ya esu da bia na poultry farmers yisu na just aban be na hwe o yi free ade nu kura o de gu fam o enkokɔ ne gu fam ade a wo de wo beye wo ye hu adwuma ma nipa dasani ababedi humans ebe consume ade o egu fam efom otam ade no free ade no gu fam dada otam free fam anu asa de ahya ade no mu fam your friends saying I say paint rubber ni bi no bucket ni bi no eno na whatever chemical ko de hyem no ewom na de mo na hyem ode ni hyem wi anu asa yi de gu fam wa obewie no wa package no kama neat na ode abro manfo na anu ya assess sister idea ya yi wa hai on de na Ghana ha ya wan ya che no ono so se oben area bi a poultry farm bi ewonti no enkokɔ na ya ya bɔ mu na omo awu na poultry farm no akɔdampiom ya to won egu no na ono so de kotoku akɔ na akɔse saa na abɔ ano pɔ se tim na watam ato nachi twatum wo se wo de kwa akɔye choba ɛka sen ono de na Ghana ha ya etu ono ya che no we de enya Ghana ha abrochire na onipa eya ade we sei no wi a wa package di amani nua se ni nua ni de kra bonfo sem ne e ba wi ase hwese de ade no gu fom anko de bibia se fom o kra hwese e fom saa ne 90s wo chaka yo de hwe fom o hwe efi e wo fom o na o ya ade se ya na wasan de gu fom a o ya no de agu fom a enye nyame na hwe nipa on enema ye di koyemu on a daily basis no se enye nyame a ke na ya wu ko nyame adom eno hwe yeso kakra oboy on bai de nipa ji wasasi so odwen ho a wonte ase yan fancy ya wi kasa ho chebe bukra tibayo ya na yan hwe ne asemo a ye di tu ye hofo e wo dwumadi so na said ya na meka no empempi no se adofom no besra me sa na aya na dwumani bi wo a mama mo so ayi bia mame na che se ye nimu a na ye kro no na enei nyame nipa ba ko efia brochiri aba besra en wa a che se United States of America ena or the ababi pim. Ofidie mu a unza hanso de yen ne atifu ya ene just a wama what I say when you tie yin da ne dai na ne ade unya banko ana bedu anko ade a o aden ye ne wa ebinim wa si fi play mu from the airport na mo kofi krom so mo me fa na me sha me nkrofo na me nyom ni komo kakra anza na makofi eh normal level nti ene ye ni nyam ni pa ba betwe komo akra na ya mana kwaba na 1 or 2 bia obi aso no ya kan wasem but before that no under 2 minutes e dia na nyame nipa betimi dia man say yemfa ntu yehofo just a short message na yenna yemfa ntu yehofo awie na fi yento aso Abusua ena asemo edi tuonfo no ena yeti no briefly na fi yatoaso nyamnipa eja yeti de ode man na ye de tuonfo awie eja awie di nyame onhyirao ene o program a wo ye ene impanifo nyina ewo ha nyame nhyirao nyina so ma me akwanya iseme nkasa na I just want to say in Christ semana so meka say we are living in the last days emra wo mu emre boni na me pese wa umfa hume nyame no fa hume nyame na twibe nyame ye sha wo hwe video ya eja edit to screen yesu ya say etimodinfo bi abefra nipem etimodinfo bi abefra nipem enti no fa yemfa ya hume nyame ye ne yantwime nyame ye na menim se ya twibe nyame ye a obeji afri atamfo nsem no agi afri sa nyoma a entisemu na wa me yenim die etimi dia bo abrabo ti nyame hye obibiara eja amen that's a pa na we dey say the idea ko di zenka wo di awumu a we nka wo say I said the original platforms were preaching na nkema na eja do prepare all right there say by your pastor my your sponsors na fi your ba ye more akwaba officially na ye hwe de de wa be piem Ghana na ye ni koma akra Phoenix Oil eno any bossy oil ya unya bia eno so ebo yie pa ma oka no etimi ejina brane eboa protect engine no na ahwe clean engine multi particles bi eba engine mu bia no eyi na fi wono mo kama pa na engine ye hye ni na eguso run na ye na esan cool engine edema ye won petrol na fe diesel variant na the price no so there eda from bokokra ye kanfo ede ama obibia patcho opedo afre 0544 343-674 0544-338-240 Phoenix Oil Bossu Oil and what you know yan fast that edio ema DBS Industries and they or say wooden trusses na edu good dance no jai because in Rihanna banenye na eyusu are losing trusses and no ene papa ya ebetimi aboa a last a lifetime is answer enkwa emu empro enhye enyewe said the tie no saa na tie saa na egudan no so de chance no so eguso correct na bibia aye kama e de amahwe chi akwan on the Express Road here in Accra Ofie so enche bia no adu eye papaya restaurant obetimi afre 0240844444 ebeba o site kra na aba be free estimate amount Kumase phone so free 0506004141 na takrade for free 0506004242 na yedin komo eno achi no yemfa aseda edio ema MTN ye ni so no akofa SME Plus ediaba na sa SME Plus yo odiaba yi share sonko a wode ema small to medium scale business owners ni nyina ne say with the SME Plus no utimi manage all your operational cost in communication. Yes. Na asamo akonya na amwatimi atwusi from affordable packages. Now I enjoy talk time, SMS, data, and a business content all bundled in one subscription. And DJ somewhere can be say unya free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. When you want your phone to and about *5060# next sign up. Not just when you want now. Yes, sir. Wait me afraid alpha number is so and I was send a WhatsApp message for the same number is so 0244 308 111. Ubenya further information. Now I stay connected everywhere you go. Finally, as they do on your farmer, Pobima paint depot and I feel door master and they oba ya pro after more na Yes, brother, enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. You endorse no the doors exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. Nina a bonus da form. Oba painter from where you need news paint a partner and this and she yaba. Paint now, pay later. Nina say uchi udan ho kama obeji paint dia kutwum fefefe actually ya spread this kind of man wo tuatua ne kakra bra yemfa interest bia ento so ema wo it churches, schools, hospitals, government institutions, offices, ahodo, individuals, real estate developers momeji paint bi na mfa nkodi mudwuma boho oba na behwe big mix machine ya it mean mix over 10,000 colors delivering with precision your color preference. Bibiani afraid 0542 745 222 na 050 021 2447. Ubemu ye sha kwan ewo Accra Kumasi Highway no so ye wo Pobiman. Se wo du Pobiman to booth wa ho na Adom Master and Pobiman Paint Depot ewo ugina to booth wa wani tua yen shop mbra na yenye business na krado se ebeboa na onso wodan no ho hye ne bibia atimi akoye e de amount afa yamra na yene prophet Richard Jemfi entry Akra prof akwa ababiem
ye ja papa
ye wogide ye se bibia e boko
oh nyame adom
na American so to say
nyame adom bibia boko adwuma ne koso butu nyame
enye easy
kra
prof this time media na akwantu mu bibi kakra na anu adai a mi kodu ba kakra ba che test ahodo a me ye afi kra na mabre e babi a na ye de ade test ye de wura mi babi o so na ye de wura mi hwinim na de makoba kra ma bedu kotoka kra na krofo yi ade afi akwa ode a na wura mi na masa why are you pushing it too to me hwene akwantu aye dry stressful these days but ede na duwa ba be pie mu Ghana yi
eja se haya ne wo me na me de nyame ase nyame enam na basa so de me ekopie me fansa mana ne am Texas na nyame amane saso asori ne wo Texas na yetimi abie almost 4 branches in America nyame center na headquarters na nkasa wo ha mama ne dano nipa nyina nim se friend mama listic mama
oh wow
first born and nyame de yaba say yemfa programs from Kubi emre nyame ma ayato ne din prophetic invasion prophetic invasion into yeshase Wednesday no na nyame de atwa babesi ene Friday no ne ebewie Sunday
Sunday ye bay
me pachoane nti from Wednesday ni nyina no me amane saso enne no ankasa so ye worship night sorry ye anajo we de brana be sorry nyame keke ye sorry nyame ye ne anyonfo akese ankalato emoji obapa ekahumbi ene wo ye anyonfo bebre Clement brother Clement no monene Rose Ejane no monene Selina Boatin chase whole
Ohimba Clement
me patwa ono so dasubi
one great guy pa
yes otunyom pa me penasempa eno na ekoso eja na Saturday no nyame de tumakuma so minyinsi wo na memfanye emwa kakrama enipa bi mu na entino Saturday no we'll be giving ye be ye mwa kakra ye ni bebredi ye bakakra na ye wo no ye behwe se obi so benya aduane akona no benya mu bi akodi obenya atade bi ahye obenya kakra bi dia so ne sika so dia ye de so koye I mean no so de
atese mo be ko manfo mwa kakra
yes into ye be wo so no
this Saturday
Saturday anopana ye be tena si anopa 11 o'clock na kakrana nyoma no credit kan kra
prof we ya wako kan here was Ghana for nya wa utino and anti ma me fancy super kuna e ma ye venu na omo enti e fa na e ko so na
so my venu
ya me shiraw e be ko so Santa Maria
okay
Mountain of Deliverance. Oh,
okay.
I'm about 11 o'clock.
All right. Okay. Definitely, I for the
From Swab one.
To watch now all the time, babe. The ground is a crime, oh, okay, so that's nice. And then you read it. Oh, baby, or chance my adoeka crack. Now, Sunday, Moody Bibia, okay. All right, once again, my direction, and I say, ABOB banner, why I number you or betting your friend.
It will be about Faka or Santa Maria. Do Santa Maria Ubisi or Jalove Junction. Jalove Junction. We do Jalove Junction and Busa Mountain of Deliverance Ministry. And Ubisa Mama Listic, sorry, what?
Oh, okay.
Okay. And our banner here number bits me for 0243 502969.
Okay.
0243 502969. And I'll bet me a face 0243 382650.
Great. Prophet, that's so best saying, yeah. Definitely, right, you go to 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Now, me was surprised, be man. Eti manin kwasunda ya mi be biemu sesi ya boss a voice bi na muni ade yeah bu Pacho yanka for goil higher grade fuels EBM fuel papa egu kan mu a how be any second ekoyo any we are proven and accepted, tried and tested, kama pa, suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. What is our superior qualities in now to China? Going higher grade fuels when you're 45, no? With the XP3 additive and a multifunctional enhancer, yeah, money more efficient, eco-friendly, and you turn at no extra cost. They are available. Our Goyle fuel stations out running across the country. Do pano. What the Okoya house, Monshani Mammy. One such as a one house in. You free now, 2 gallons. The Gaudio cars with the Monshani. Fill up with Goyle higher grade fuel. A patrol your Goyle Super XP Run 95 and a Goyle Diesel XP. Yet turn every Goyle fuel stations, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. What is it? Goyle, good energy. Goyle, yeah, dear. That's right, yeah. Shiba. My parents were so still here. No Friday night time was out. Raining now. No anything. Maybe you're wondering what to do with your Cerelac 410. Yeah. And they are going to Mount Sanka, the new Cerelac wheat 350-gram pouch value pack, no, and only the ideal choice to refill your tin. Very affordable, convenient, still it provides key nutrients, no edamount. Nature iron, vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, vitamin D, zinc, and iodine. Waiting down a kabumwa as supporting normal cognitive function. Now promoting optimum growth and development at the amount. So go on and grab your value pack at a retail shop near you. Cerelac, 350 grams, more for less. And Katui FDI Mushimwaja to say, yeah, no yawa. Shut up. And Shason could be more champa and come a atomic enterprise. Our Bosokai, aka machine. And my phone, Church Amunina. say me man surprise this here. Man Nkosunda here. Meantime, a happy birthday in advance, Uncle Emma. Paulina e Japan. Or your chief inspector. Our new Edubiasi police station. O birthday. Aye nyame Adom Sunday, the 5th of September 2021. Aye chief inspector Paulina Ajima, new Edubiasi police station. Wait if you are Obaba. Yeah, one also aye Lance Corporal. A friend of aye Laurentia Esando. Or something can't just say Odo papa. Na NNJ any anhoahoa se owo ena ete se wo enti nyame onhia na yedu eye Lance Corporal Laurentia aso eyidie na yenchiachia prosifo na ewo ni nyina Enti Sergeant Emmanuel Boatin, aka Lincoln. Wow, ni bia catch us me two chairman we brutal. And our face Sergeant Abu Sadiq. Chama country 25 MTTD. Oh, omo boy my head, omo office ne fe pa. And that man ko anan kam nim so omo office no e fesa. What a beautiful office. Na superintendent enyonam clue ne office no awura de ura no office as madam your office dey be. Me tu chama mu nyina me chechia mo awie. Surprise me bo. Now, the reason why, Maka surprise, no. One, me surprise me home first. And then two, a tear for a mutie me the artist see mom are surprised. And then three, artist nankasana me didn't surprise me so one so me say about surprise one so and then we triple surprise, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, me can want some kakra chemo. Asana ma drop it. Nafi yenene dinkomo. The very first day I heard a song, it was on a Sunday, and I don't work on Sundays. I was driving. Tete banafuna na o studio no, but I want me far phone and friend am say Titi. And you be na wo bono no. Was ya no kan ho asem chem nam so Titi. Yinwom no fa o chere me nam so wa hwa me bedu ana me refi. Yinwom no fa to prepared e wo machine so ma me. Na Monday me ba maka ho asem. Monday metna se enam dwudwa gumu a. Echi na me hums ba bi anum no fi ba nam so oh sa. Na enwom no e komi dom pem bruta. Yes. Let's go y'all. Anu ni ni o. Shoma. That's what it is, y'all. Wait, I am Womina. And this one here features Minister Igwe. Hey, 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 hey. Passion.
My God.
He's a miracle working God.
Excellent is your name. Hey, and you are say Bobby, women are crabba.
Ejami Joseph.
Now, what to say?
Oh, boy, the Adom.
Hey, women are oh, bugger pow. Anyway, and one at Tron Mount.
Pacham Yankasa.
One out Tron way.
Pacham.
Incuomo. Hey, now, engineer better anyway.
Me Pacho, sir.
Sir.
Pacham.
Wow. Shy, yeah, shiny.
Pacham, or no.
Whoa. Okay, catch me. Ban the same, your shell star now the Tron. Now, Minister Igwe, wouldn't be shame, the Igwe Berno, Minimu, now, Uko fan when I nation you going.
Me that's Bemena.
Casagu, my crumame.
That's a Bemena. Me fa Kwanso chia metie phone nara.
A tear for Joso.
Pacho, Tama ye nyumono. You do tama so a do featuring partner.
Yeah.
And me brother, Mr. Kobimante. And ye di tiki kabomo. Inti ye di tika omu fa edin bebre me. But me and I'm so anyway more like my in Niger way.
Yeah.
So inka maybe many obi cry Ghanaian crampo betimi.
I know send Nigeria bina.
It's no anka no so me brother bi wo ha or ye Nigerian inti no makofanaba. It's ordinary buy na ampa so say onim adwuma ne so. Yeah, but me who na me in spirit e click. Yeah.
Wow. Minister Igwe.
That's right.
Baba or your justice to the song.
Oh, yeah, too much.
Just on medano heavy. And since then, no say now, no vibe to say.
Too much. I say I bear more like a brother and sister.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Into Nigeria no one our Ghana na say
oh Ghana here. Oh Ghana here.
Enti ono no or yen nyum ono so say na.
Ono so one nyum or one nyum on YouTube.
Oh okay. Minister Igwe. Igwe. Wow. Any okona yen Igwe. Why are you running now? So this is the song. Now, women, me person no no. Miss stopping home. Now me starting for.
Mate.
Now ye no live.
Sir.
I was studio so. Yeah, the film shempa. Entunim. Minister Igwe side on the bed no.
I remember why you me.
It do
and you know feel it too much. Remember why.
And you're not see
so new words because why cuz I know one some more. We drew me house Minister will mean and patch on train kakra.
We just me ba uti ampa.
You know I should die train kakra.
Tabia we ba so that you women out there train out there my minister.
And mommy who say I say wo tro nyom ne pa isua. Tena dem no mienu.
So and then na ye be ye. No mom. Me pesa me ho be chi mi ntino. Matron South Minister Igwe. So let's go and do this one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, some can some surprise. So yeah. That's all. Hey, let's go. No. Yeah, let's start to do it. Okay, Minister Igwe Akwaba, welcome. Now, what were you saying? Did just walk us through it. What were you saying?
Okay, funny enough, I don't think I'll be able to explain what I'm saying. Well, it's just
it just happened.
It just happened. It's not like a particular meaning. Like Obati Aminsi. Okay, Obati Aminsi simply means the God we serve.
The God we serve.
Yes. So I just should I say prolong the words in a way. Obati Aminsi, Babati.
T.
So it's not anything serious like that.
That part of the song kills me.
Okay, nice one.
Let's do it. Hey. Ahana, only no problem, no. But problem, never cause me because anytime I'm playing the song and it gets to that part, then I'll go like, women are wait. Let's go back to Minister. Oh my goodness. Wow. So now, Minister, tell me, working with her on this project, how was it like?
Well, I would say it was fun. Actually, I think the first time KB called me and then he said, "Oh, there's a project. He would like me to come on board." Comimante actually.
Yeah.
So I was like, "Okay, sure." He told me Shah's studio. So the moment I entered and then the song was played, it actually just came like that. Like I just because I love the rhythm. I love the fact that. It sounds Nigerian like a little. It sounds Nigerian actually.
Yeah.
So coming from like that's where I actually come from. So I just like it was everything was so perfect. It went on, smoothly. Like,
Right. I was talking to her earlier, and I asked what brought about that collaboration between you and her. And according to her, they were looking for someone who could, give that Niger feel to the song, and they landed on you. So, are you a Ghanaian or a typical Nigerian in the first place?
Okay, so I'm Nigerian.
In
Nigeria. I've been here
Nigeria.
for 11 years, so I would say I'm Ghanaian.
You've been here for 11 years.
Yes.
And that's how bit me a country. Okay. So for the past 11 years now, then what have you been doing here?
Still music. I've worked with a couple of artists. Yeah, a couple of artists.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, likes of Oima Messelself, with Kwesioti,
okay,
with Kobe Mante, with MOG, and all of that. Yeah.
Wow.
So, yes.
Wow. That's fine. Maybe some other day we'll invite you specially. Then we'll have a one-on-one interview with you. Right? Okay. So let's get back to women and I and then and Twaso. Now this song, just a new way no crown no there. And says I will share that is because and no na ye na adwuma o say ono e ton ho saa na ade but still let me find out from you. So far, how is it like? And ever since I'm releasing you mean?
Oh, nyame adom ekoso pa ma na anwene ho say betimi capture pempenso betimi adu.
Yeah.
So, but God has been so good.
Wow.
Yeah. Or mama who say ampono na wa frame no ono ankasa nso be na adwuma into ordina boafo nso abremi a ama adwuma na ayemre ama me. Yeah.
Talking about aboafo no. That's so small. Now talking about aboafo no. Connection if you na buy na odikopi man we media.
Me das ja. The Koba say my first song, me the kind your first song 2016. Na enu na ntimi
is that 2016?
2016. But ntimi
years.
Yeah.
Was that your first project?
Pachai.
Okay.
But eba say Mira onim de nyame de adom minti no. Na Mira ni pushy trying to get someone to bring that vision out. It in and didimana me papa baako GTV.
Okay.
Or journalist Bishop Ednyako. It oni ni di ho komo no ana okonete ni ma one of the lady was studio na ono ede me manager by.
Okay.
It no through that no me manager so be saw me nyum no se no mefa no menini be ye adwuma nti ofa me wakoma pam nti efi na ese me bafie na ye ba na de nyema betoto se de ese to. Yeah.
Wow. And so far no say na nyema asi akwafa.
Nyame adom nyema ekọ edida no ti se de ese edida no a nyame adom nyema ekọ ye pa.
Wow.
Yeah. Koye pa.
Okay. So this was a single project or the buy and say saying boy hon come out this particular
where a single project I made out. Actually me buy any me buy enyum but yeah any say any single by
auntie is it going to lead to an album and I be a EP on the
Sunny planning planning but enyensi supi baby nyame no no ade e beko
for some time now our industry ni and now that your song is out there everywhere be a kind that I'm not for any genuine no so far industry gospel music industry nankasa no who the saying he said they were media as I said come on issues they industry and some room
say outside I said you see who no yes na urema Anna say I quite say me say na time me swan I have a lot of mentor because for be omutonyuma it moves me so much and I continue sankofoni na no omoda so wo ho na said me beto nyum na me pese me hu sa odo ne said omu si tonyuma esite mu hu but sad ye me hu ni sa ba I say odo enhye da ni omontem sa Debbie na
ayeni so
bibi sa ibisa but enye obia nye omu na me de mefa akonya we so na mada me bra igwe any Mr. Mante Kobe he has been a brother as like there be a me opportunity no na me de aka ne ho asem because oyobia odo a omu yi kire me na ebro adwene ntiase so ayana musicians I know more few who say almost free baby no mobile. You start from the beginning so being so bad help the person to come out but I know for say okay manya fame in area but God is not looking for fame. He has put in the thing in you to proclaim it to the world. You have to bring people out. Already not say quantity na me quality. So if you see something about someone and try to pull that thing out, help the person to come closer to you. Because be a nipa no crampo no wa for send mentor, but we need be bring the person down. And this is a ministry. A ministry, and a ministry, no. Na ministry na say odonima. Then what are you trying to tell to the world? So it's really bad. It's something that we need to work on it.
What can sempa? What can sempa? And I think say many gospel musicians, lots of them, didn't come but I think so you are the person at what point is at the issue, particular issue out. And say omuna beti na supomna madu domo and then you be there for each other. I think say nkebe na yetimi grow industry ni pa than say I say obi as me wa hantino obi ba o say yes koto suban no yodi omgu ankre mu a oba ko gina oba ko echi anko betimi abuild up sa no de but oba ko nzo oba ko kwa no ba ko atwe oba ko ntino omu na aka mu sa they are not making any progress.
Me who music industry ni mu say if you are really called by God you always young to help someone to come out because upese nyame adwuma ne dooso but some people one thing I've seen is say ebi obi wo a ni focus ni na ne say to be famed to get award. I don't award is not part of me. Fame is not part of me.
Women anti Jezi ya bo award
when
it comes over your
but
that's not your focus.
I have to accomplish it.
Okay. Talking about that, how do you get your songs? Because
I get it in dreams. I get it whilst I'm walking. Me didn't come up. Me obi am na me kasa one here because but now I'm talking with God. So once I'm talking with him, he just dropped it on my mind like say make us any nana yet is anwen na me to it oni me kasa e wo true enwum true da yesum kasa.
That's wonderful. Wilmina na Wilmina udin full name then
me full name Wilhelmina Bena Kwatima.
Wilhelmina Bena
Kwatima. Na me kodi Pastor Benjamin Fojo.
Ndizi we Mrs. Fojo. Wilmina. Ndi just Wilmina no na wa ni say no.
And ya na me na na omudru ha omutimi ma.
But the Wilmina too sounds like a dinner say like or there's another name like that and I say name shortened from the Wilhelmina.
No, me and my shortening.
That's what I want to establish.
But a dini a short near Mina. Normally short near Mina, but so boss a dinner, I ne drew some fin be or hona. I am a honomo to fashion.
A Wilhelmina, no.
Frame Wilhelmina, a different me. Tell me what 17. Mine will Mina.
That's all. Wilhelmina, I'm over near Jerry, but only one so the Ukrainian name, Imuye. And it's my prayer, say, other ones never banning nano. And obey me a powerful see.
I'm a free child. No
easy, was he? As I can cry. That. Any Namisha.
Patcha there.
Oh, my eye.
Me were 5 girls.
What were 5 girls?
Patcha.
You don't look it. Okay, job is on with that.
Oh, even me and my colleagues cry outside, cry. They don't even believe it. So.
What were 5?
Yeah, 5 girls.
Hey! No, but how do you keep yourself like? I don't know. It's serious. 5 children.
Yeah,
all from you.
Yeah.
But you don't look like Obi Kra. Just I mean, we shall not the old shape near
Adom.
Wow. If you don't know, so oh wow, bye. What wrong? Ye pa so for so head women you are very fine. So now abri ben na yen hwe nim kwan sa say de aka no wo de beba because say de okay na just say nyom no
oh de aka
obi a honam kra na nyame de bi ma wi de
enam kwan so
so how soon
less than a month. Yeah.
In less than a month, another one will come.
Oh my God!
Hey, and then they surprise me there. Bana guso basa na dia surprise ne ba neba. Kwasi mo veli na ye hu say de na wo mu ya mo de aba mo de bre wo mi na ya na fi. You fan common in radio. Montiano na yen radio na. Mo join on Facebook no. On by so bet me join here no ahwe. Oh wow. This is nice. This is nice. That's so beautiful. Wow. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Wow. Now most of the phone mama rich pencil. So this was a pencil work. Wow. It's beautiful. More share on Facebook no more share na ade na efe. Na oh wow. I'm even speechless. Ade na efe. Come up. O se why dey? So omo ye bi ma igwe nso ahụ. Mo ye bi ma minister igwe bia. Na mo ye bia ma nso na. Oh wow. This is beautiful. Mutwa phone, mutwa pictures. No abotre mam. O mutwa pictures. Mo wi ana fi ye fa common memory na. Ye fa djuma na current to us. Wow. Okay. All right. This is beautiful. This is F Yipa. Women you didn't come on the baby, you know. I had the me and say I'm out for back say now, not my mom the opportunity now. You say now it be as no homo fruntino. Or more person show appreciation to them now for social media handles no what they are mine. Move ya, you bear no last one near upon. And not twice mine after insurance.
Jamida say me the dika me per se Michia Damaso Christian Church we are sia faneni nara ana media sida kese ekoma eye me nane meja me ma me friend Jeremy Amamponsa or London and I'm Papa so Mr. Joseph Asare of Holland and Waba. Michia Yemira, Pastor Benjamin Kojofojo, and me 5 girls, Coralie, Frederica, Kendra, Angel, and Damaris.
Wow.
Peseme Falconia is na me down my sister. Oma anya abotre edi amame. Afen so michia miami personal abrefi Mercy our Ghent Belgium.
Okay.
Anna Dorothy our Antwerp. Any Bane family now more Antwerp michia omo. Michia mi ankasa mi Bishop Benjamin Fojo or Belgium. Any obibiana asida me de kokese paaye me manager. Me dana say waso mi mu se obi ne ba waso mi mu se obi ne yere waso mi mu so obi ne nua ana wa hyemeden esanse na memre meba industry no na memre pa nanso no wa hyemeden
obeshodi
odi me twa kwan so
man we dey obeshodi
mi chia crew ni na regi eni mabusuafo mu gumachi ni na mi chia obi Minister Igwe. Okay. I salute you, sir. Enemy, me personal, me voice trainer, Mr. Kobe, Mante, Michiano, me dana se. Me do be biase, me do be bia.
All right.
Me sweetheart, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, someone for you check on social media platforms. I hold on, so I'll handle it.
But I come in school. I mean, now I say, Calvary International, year 1996, and Apam Secondary, year 1999. This is your own Wilmina.
All right.
Okay, and yeah.
The amount for person more reach out to you.
Pachom Benyame wo YouTube, I'm there. Facebook, my name is Wilmina Music.
Okay.
Or Twitter, Instagram. And I saw Penyum Subi and Swaton, so Ubenya no iTunes and Spotify and all the social media. You'll get me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, last one. I am gonna. Charlie, some way. I was ready to see Eddie. The iron say, Eddie more quite than one. Oh, and they are coming. Oh, dear for Mazamo, Omuneko. And as I are, a dear for Montreal.
And Kobe Justice.
Honey. It's also so corner when him Aquatap's full safe and now. Tell me about what dinner de piano. Aquatap full safe. And I'm a door home. I said with you.
Almost also Aquatap's water purification tablets. Omwa, Omonde Ebulu Musu, Efomusu, Surusu, Enusia, and one tea, Edia Wanda Dedum, Alpha or Haubia Embre. Some code use with my pomodin so in here, pa. And Antinato Aquatap surface disinfectant. And yet me the paper surfaces beer, Emma and Wotty. Nanti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you feel Aquatabs Abama Mose, and be doing it to phone free Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquatabs were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Edredin Kratui Atum.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafiri. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer, so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
Hello, Ajua.
Mom, many panisi opesa be me ho adio.
Oh, and just some kai me na me fa jama soap 15 boxes. Enka enyoma obeto no ho why?
Hey, mom.
She abribiara obeto na se wo si enyoma no. Wonyonko ba ko pa ebe ma untade efi na aye hwehwehwam. And jama soap. So papa.
Na se me hu se da abo ma we si enyoma da.
Hey, san handkerchiefs no.
Me facho. Jama soap eboru ni mo sidia. Onu ani wa problem yonko. Ye de jama detergent powder for Fonedi. Shady moon. FDA didn't cry to mu.
I go class. Mental. Edienu mienu eni miensa.
Edienu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edienu na.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
If you didn't know I anymore at Sina, for MTN no money free water for Nakasa, for texting, for browsing, for Isika, for Senisika, Momonoso and Preppy, and Mumuna will be your point. 156 hash, and yeah, that's so what could would be the Achiki CBS, or MTN in Kwanso, everywhere you go.
Magic pepper and onion. It's a delicious super Nedrian no abbing, and everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Chino Magic pepper and onion.
Semi sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me the Kel Chaco toothpaste. And if you try me say, oh bad dear me pa, I will be to you no. And yet dear Kel Chaco toothpaste. A boy say who buy a free mowa, a boy say who to crow. A say share any no munka. She say, I'm many Kel Chaco toothpaste in Sunny. Yet the center for me magic Kel Chaco toothpaste out too. Me should not pay na draw me kodano. And my see fita. Confidence level kwaso. It be mono. And I see fita. a emana hoden ne sayin kabia na wonum yi ram enunti mo amonum coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo Kel charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
adi ejodin ka to ya tomo
Jadie wo Malcolm ayekesie na asanso ayesronko kra.
If you say, Malcolm nkwani dwadi bia obenya nyoma mpempem ato fa ko a womre ho kra.
Eni say, Malcolm wo efie ne ejade nioma na edi siesie edam mu.
Furniture ho, electricals, ni ayedie, ni ayehye, eno nti, Jadie wo Malcolm ayendika pa.
Ofie kai na hye no so say, emma ne hye kakra wo ho.
Malcolm,
where Ghana shops.
Hello, Ajua.
Mom, mini panisi opesa obeye mi ho adio.
Oh, eni jisam kai me na me fa jama soap 15 boxes. Enka enyoma obeto no ho wa.
Hey, mom.
She, abri biara obeto na se wo si enyoma no. Wononko ba ko pa ebe ma wontade efi na aye hwehwehwam. Eni jama soap. Bisa papa.
Na se me hu se da abo ma we si enyoma da.
Hey, san handkerchiefs no.
Me fa cho. Jama soap e bono nyoma sidia. Ono ani wa problem yonko. Ye de jama detergent powder for ready. Shady moon. FDIJ didn't cry to ya to moon.
Gino Magic Pepper on a tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Dada. Super Nedrian no Abing. And everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Many heartaches.
Did you really think that you could keep your new wife a secret for the rest of our lives?
Many headaches. 3 friends. To have and to hold a brand new Ghanaian series exclusive to Akwaba Magic, channel 150 on DSTV every Monday and Tuesday. Get a fully installed DSTV for only 169 Ghana cedis with a month's access subscription and upgrade to the Compact Plus bouquet with 70 Ghana cedis. Akwaba Magic. Welcome home. Only on DSTV.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
OfieKwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM.
OfieKwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on
Adom FM. Adom FM. All the hits and more.
Sorry, was so never was seen someone. Never go you power. Favorite Unia, Maui, wonderful. Sabu Robert Swap. If you're not pro, Emma Obiarando. Yebeku Amadiachi. Onia Doye di Bedro. Mema Obiarando. Dada wo mami hwe eni ji briaso pese wo mami hwe obo frari suwe dada wo mami hwe eni ji briaso pese wo mami hwe ni shebe she te shi bo so mo he kahalon te dinko aba for one thing che unyemi me ke unani me wo ba chata kojo ni ba yidono mene wo ba shike moko akawo moko akabe
na metro na sinje
wo geso mo ba ya Raviswe, Dada, Mami Shay, and Ejibriaso, Pese, Mami Shay.
This one here says today is Friday, and my wife and I are Friday born. Today happens to be my wife's birthday. Her name is Christiana Apalu Debbie, and I want to wish her God's abundant blessings and long life. As the deer panted for water, so my love and care for her will never die. Hey, love Pwenny. Happy birthday, my sweetheart. Thank you, Jerry. With Ben Debbie and Chang. And now they buy Ben Deck Multimedia, Tema Community 9. A happy birthday going out to Reverend Prince Menu. You are an exemplary leader who has dedicated your life for winning souls into God's kingdom. We appreciate and love you. From all your sons and daughters of Streams of Power Chapel International, and of course your son, Eric Adom. More birthday daddies coming in. This one here says a happy birthday going out to Mary Anoche, also known as Ohima Decoder of Asin Odumase, and a student of Asin in Suta SHS. In the journey of your life, may you count your successes with each passing birthday, and may you never have to look back, be back there and looking back, why? On any regret of your life. Happy birthday going out to you from Dakota. Where's Saucy Jerry? Please help me out. All roads lead to Okuga for Giant 91 batch to mourn our beloved brother and mate, Mr. Aaron Ansan Ajiman, AAA. God willing, tomorrow, with Mr. Alan Davidson Cheng and our Odebaye. And a happy birthday also going out to my sweet wifey, Pearl, from your husband, Fifi, or the Fitama and a buyer. Hello. Uh-oh. And now, Mr. George Kojo Mbia of Dansuman, the birthday. He is 87 years old today, and we pray for more celebrations to come. In Jesus' name, Papa Unyanko. Omano ho cash wo mhopa ombesho kama. That's Eunice, Christiana, Gertrude, and then George Mbia of the multimedia group. Ombe of fire, Papa. Hello, good evening. Hello. Joe. Hello. Hello. Hey, now only Pakuna Okasa one chon on Kwana no ya dey share phone rano. Now me I na ujre. But more teachers here. Sawo. Na birthday na ekosen. O brother, ehunu so. Daddy, enti edie nanka esia. Anka ebemo hu birthday no so. Wo dey catch me. Oh. So atiafaso. Okay, me pacho body che amansan etie unya no bia unsa una udi birthday ni. Okay, brother me pacho your friend Kodia Kofi Johnson. Your friend Kodia Kofi Johnson. Good one. Very much about Kodia Nana. Yeah, man. Now, Say Obi Nimwa, Abranti, a member of the Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group. Now, Ofie Kwanso for no, all fantastic guys and girls. You see now they say Timmy celebrity. Come on, and Oba, your Facebook also see Adom 1061. You say the picture and that way out there, gentleman partner. What pocket kakare? Channel move on Facebook now. Okay, so Mami Mount the opportunity now. One kasa wish something good for yourself and then celebrate your birthday. And then obe person nyame ebe fa birthday we so ayama wa brabom.
Okay, in Bible say the next year ahead of me, Sabrina is one of the biggest billionaires in the country.
Amen. Me den Bible church say ambassador no so na wuhia me a aya na one ma we amfi me why.
Patrol brother.
You enjoy your day. Thank you. Esa na enwa. Radio ni na dia. A special good evening and special greetings going out to you. So for SK. Yes, Pastor SK Apiaje. Nyamini partner bibi aboko there. Michiao, Yamisha Wate. And from Pokuya Wendy, Pokuya 101, also please wish Reverend Prince Menu of Streams of Power Chapel International Bawe a happy birthday for me. Okay, ya wish no nti ni nyina mu say nyame onhia no na on top papa nkwandem. Amen. And now so the birthday of one fantastic friend of mine. In fact, he's a very, very, very good man. Maitre, Assistant Superintendent of our Immigration, ASI Smith, and Nawoda Kutuka International Airport, and now Udi Juma. One fantastic man. Yes, one good gentleman. Now I'm in Piebon saying Yami Unshaw. He's got a very beautiful heart. A member of his kind, you know, Omon Dawson, and then the birthday or celebrity with the needy. Just say, Adoya, or Yen and Nepal, Charlie. Mr. Smith, Yamisha Wati. Now on Ton Quandem. Happy birthday to you. Pacho Udufia, catch your wife, he said, me say, Oma be special today because it's a special day. What I say? And I said the prayer for you in the morning and said, I'm a bird man. And I'm believing and trusting God. Say, oh man in room. Oh yes, you did. Happy birthday to you, boss. And good evening going out to you, Mr. Godwin Temaklo of Puma Energy. Lashibi. Boss, I salute you. I know what your wife here, mommy. And good evening going out to you, Gifty Kluche. Or Sweden. Maton Krano. Yabekasa. Yabedim Komo. Yamisha no yo kese. Omo no abusion ban. Ewo Yesudim. Amen o. Enuani asokwa yafu. Koko. Wadi asokwa di. Enu meguni fidi yanka. Sikabu awamba. Wadi jawo school. Obabeku. Wadi na wadi akuno tofo. Ukraine ana fu. Bafu. As a carbon. Tomorrow happens to be your birthday. Theresa Kwatima Ofori. Yes. Wife of Christian. Na omo ewo Bologna, ewo Italy. Ochna ene nyame ya adomo a Theresa udi wawoda. Ukunu Christian semen kancho se ose erade enhia or show happy birthday in advance. Nyame onko so na onhia na onye okese. Omo weekend we enye special one for you as you celebrate your birthday. Theresa Kwatima Ofori of Bologna. From your husband Christian. I see a dear no dear. Happy birthday going out to Sophia Edu. May God bless your new age. Okay, so on Facebook, Adom Dankwa Lekwa. Osi Jerry, please, when will you interview Kwade? I don't know. And then Moses also on our Facebook says, I'm watching you live from Amasaman. And a happy birthday going out to Christabel. May God richly bless her new age. Okay. Ugusutie 106.3 FM. Check the time now. 4 minutes after 5. A happy birthday in advance. Enko Emma Barbara Yeboah. Mrs. AJ, aka Nanaya Ajima, Nanaya UK, London, UK. Happy birthday going out to you. Uknu and Mr. Kwame AJ. Also, I wish you happy birthday. So, and our Waja, Dada Brantier. and the entire family, and I feel Maud and myself, we are all wishing you a happy birthday. So from the entire family, both in Ghana, UK, and the US, we are all wishing you a happy birthday. And you also share the same day with your sister-in-law, sister Charlotte AJ, also in London, UK. So wishing the two of you a happy birthday, God willing, tomorrow. So happy birthday in advance. Nyame onshamo pa. Kopim sa mube yensha. Ewo Yesu di. Amen. And when the Abekana Shinemo, one no be and what did you want me a refreshment baku pa, yeah, koye pan. And it's a Obama on Sa Aka, an ice cold Pepsi. Utusus are better. And now Mirinda, and now 7-Up, and now Mountain Dew. 1 CD 20 pesos. Oh yes. So pause to refresh with your favorite tasty and rewarding ice cold Pepsi, Mirinda, 7-Up, and now Mountain Dew at 1 CD 20 pesos only from a retail outlet near you, because you deserve a true refreshment now. Shemsa Pepsi there, same great taste, same great price of 1 CD 20 pesos per bottle. Nekai said Pepsi, Mirinda, 7-Up, and a Mountain Dew, a good quality international brands. Pa.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
And Chebia me baba activate phone lines no. Then next year dash so. Yes. Obasima chedie. Obasima seal. Obasima food products. Ya besha said the besi akwafa. Oji achedie buburuja. Chest freezers, microwave ovens, food processors, and of food products be. Nina the chow kwa. Baby. Good afternoon, Jerry. I know they do evening, Uju. I don't know if today is the right opportunity or the opportune time to communicate with you, but me say we are young from my main trends. Oh yeah, Jack. And this one here says, Isaac Dankwa of Ashaman Zenu. I say, good evening, Jerry. It's Freestyle Friday. And I'm still alive. All I want to say is thank you, Lord, for the gift of life. Amen. Greetings going out to my dad, Mr. Daniel Dankwa, and also to Apostle Kingsley Ajiman Boateng of Plan B FM. And then happy birthday going out to DJ Bless of Top FM. Now someone to me, what do you want? Winpa ba ko hwe nanimu anase mwato. Wo hwe na chinzo anase mwato. Ene na uguzu bata no se de. Kasama menteni ye. Oh, yeah, but I'm the camera. And I dream dog. Sweet lady, the new casa de dead. Why never the palmy? I can bring us, but so be I'm a friend of a so darling. So we come back. So your wishes may come. Don't get the car. Your wishes may come. Go home, mommy. Your wishes may come. I am up the zombie boy. Your wishes may Good evening and come on. Elder Counselor Emmanuel Obeng of the Church of Pentecost. At the same. Matemonka. I do for Monet Safo Memorial for Worshippers Conference 2021. Yami Adoma Wachina. Saturday, the 4th of September, 4 p.m. sharp. Ejinjinmu ade anyotofo akuku dampi na pass through. Emu ye weekend we activities wo hina so atoto nsa frefre me sa so ne ade a. Enye easy. Na me adum tie be hwese de be ni na. Ye besi mu ahemache ni anronron ne ade a.
One lover, I've been a no start say oh your memo special. Or the two boys say it is here no metina oba with there on my pressure. Umbe we I jump on. Umbe there so be man name when the sweet now I'm on the way. They say all your bar VIP just say very important personality. The people and your quality. Pay with the beauty. Some feeling, some check it, some take it. One home at Tiani, one hour
Ochina so ena nyame Adom a yenua bema Dominic Eyimba ono so na yi baso ewo ye Kufredia nti ochina ehon so yegina mu den ewo Kuftown besi mu ahemachi activities no dos but ye be ni na nti maslo phone na chechia mu nyina encha sonko enko ema Felix Osafo Mafo sisi ono no Eastern Regional Deputy Secretary hopeful. Yes, I just say we know 2022 muna di be wura na ne ade what I say. Yo ya Montman why? Montman. One correct guy pa or Maslow. And I feel Kofi McDonald. Also Michelle and Ray. Na me Adom a chena be share Kuftown. Na ina ya kwa kwhwe na yenu abema Dominic by him. Etimi akwa akohwe akra na chi fefe kama abusuani nyina so Dominic abusuafo ni na ya mamu nyina so hyede nyame kam ho na oncheche more na ade na esi no enye betesa ye kra ye enafofo keke na ye nya busuano chale the way our hearts adwudwa said they akoma apapa ya fa no nisu na de na ending. How much more the family, the wife and the children. Nyame ka omhona oncheche omu nyina re. Kama. Nyame Adom a chena be shia Kuftown. Abuja enche biamba be activate phone lines no. So timi bo homodin na obasi ma achede oji achede no ko. What I say? Ba me man rent free. Achede foforo bi on so e de ma. Yes. We Richoko National Essay Competition. Yeah, e baso den. We obi awo upper primary. Ana junior high, ana senior high student living in Ghana. Or passion for writing. Do you love cocoa and care about the environment and the impact on illegal mining on cocoa farms? And na akwanya ni sounds ubetimi atro bibi na wa found na wadi sika pa. Oh yes, 100,000 Ghana cedis cash prizes and our fair educational supplies nina about the amount in the second edition of the Richoko National Essay Competition. Yeah, the Ebrewo. Now me pacho the oba be in ye. Ultimate don't share ASR essay competition mu. Omwa ebetimi edim kunim in each category no. Ebe receive 10,000 Ghana cedis cash and after another 10,000 Ghana cedis in educational materials. Our respective schools, you know. All 4 runner-ups, you know, so in each category, you know. Ebe we need cash prize at the attach I can hold. Now, person do hushim and patrol to you. Write an essay addressing the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effects of illegal mining on cocoa farms, stating the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. And when you West, you know, a wow handwriting. Now, wow for and now class teacher and now also for I endorse on a camera. Now, what day either 10 empty packs of Richoko 20 grams and now 1 empty pack of 500 grams Richoko and now 1 empty pack of 1 kg of Cadbury Richoko. Ashemu Akahon. Nafe, what drop away entry, you know, at the Accra Central Post Office, at Denta Post Office, at Chimota Post Office, Melcom Outlets. Yeah, what Accra Central, at Dabraka, Melcom Plus, one North Industrial Area, Afe Down Suman, Springtest, Madina, Tema, Ashaman, Achimota, Kisiman, East Legon, Abeka, Weja, Ashoma, Frafaha, and Afe Afienya. equal betimi ameli eye entry no e de akọ the Richoko National Essay Competition PO Box AF 851 Adenta Accra. I say SSA upper primary, junior high and I say senior high. Closing date for submission of entries 30th September 2021. Ubetimi akọ Cadbury Richoko Facebook na Instagram pages no. Ubenya further details. Terms and conditions apply.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
I can't deny it. If you're feeling it, come and join me, sing a song.
And then I am passing so good. Only my dear said to what dear wife. I can tell you, me who be there. But China, Mama, who your man. I am passing so good. Only my dear said to what dear wife. And it's a fact that I can't deny. Someone please tell me why. Me have you paid the price. Your love took me by surprise. And it's a fact that I can't deny. Someone please tell me why. Me have you paid the price. Sa 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 to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa. Then what it cool me to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa. So Pacho Ben phone lines this is ya Obasima Chedi and the Baba so. Meantime, a happy birthday in advance going out to a beautiful soul, Miracle upon Nanama of Taifa. Nanama. Hey, Nanama. Nanama. Happy birthday in advance to you, Nanama. Nanama, na birthday is your china na AC Sunday. Say ochina de na just say we no de. Chofu form na tonkwa mu. Any your problem. Say ayo ochina pa dia. Any your problem. Miracle upon aka Nanama Taifa and Obutu. Happy birthday to you in advance. Yami Wisha what now Oma Yakes Debbie and yet won yes I can see as because I can no one the anka who no problems are Nanama Nana. All right, check your time now. 25 after 5. 25 after 5. So get ready. Call me now. Yenshe, how best you can answer this simple questions, and then so unya chest freezer, food processor, and a microwave oven, and a product. Pina, Basima food products. Pina, yeah, the HO. It's all here on 106.3 FM. OfieKwanso. We oba sima achede ayede ema wo. Nti ofrepa. Yehu nipa akona. Ene na questions no. Influde the mouse near qua which me born homode a yeah mama me pen why na yeah na me so me ma kibu ha ne ade say baby bia be come mama me pen na enko is my first call on the line already and now me announce you 03 but phone so line is already hey Charlie still mama me announce yes and I'm in your fair to mo inim numbers now okay so 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Winning numbers now obet me afre na waba obasima achede na yenhwe achede a onso obet me ede akofie ene enwumre. Oh 45 seconds to do that. Ne ahwe how many questions obet me attempt and I obet me nyana correct and so. And no. Very, very, very simple. First call aba. Okay, monjini details na fi. Yen twaso from here. Mama me pen why? Mama me pen. Cause me aso pese me de me buhu akunta ni bina. Hunse de winners no bi si akwa fa ni ade we enye ibia na. Akoye ibia ni ade. Departure phrases here. 0302216561. 0302216562. And my young show questions now are very, very, very simple. Very, very easy. You know what I'm saying? Unse me trimu nye dance antino. Me ya na chese. Ya ni sana. Ede akoye ni mkakra. Say itimi boa ya hu. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. Enti ya fire first caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
Madam, you're frozen.
From Vera.
Okay, Sister Vera, 45 seconds. Oh. Eti dodo abet me answer na e kire wo bobre. Why? Now we are sure say Obasima Silia de be ka ho sami atotrimu ye. Eti yankoya ni mo. Okay. Ene na ye hye ase sesia eti iwe ni nya call ye na pena na wuti o first question na no why? The patcho which of these products and what Obasima Sino Sunny Gary Mix, Kovi Gary Mix.
Okay, Gary Mix.
Which of these products does not have the Obasima seal? Wait them. Okay, yeah, na fafo na yenhwe ono so ne modern bo. a obetimi abo. That simple. Any questions be who be as na moya my is an area. Ana udaniako. Is ya poo ya udaniako. Aje. Enjoy easy. At BBR be fine. BBR be fine. 0302216561 0302216562. We know any numbers now beat me after about na ya share also omodembo I'll bet me abo. It is now 5:30. Ugusuti Adom 106.3 FM. Dear Bruce, we are de brewi. Eye Obasima Achede. Obasima si Fadarma. Ye de ebrewo. Na yashe. Dear wonso ubetumi aye. Achede ndi modu. Achede no emodu. Chest freezer pa go ukukuru de akọ food processor microwave oven na product there any bebre. Hello. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
It is your buyma.
Me who you want say?
Me so me na your friend say.
Your friend me
Henrietta.
Trying.
Okay. Henrietta, we are sure say ade what me umu ade.
My band.
Okay, Henrietta, 45 seconds. Questions do now bet me answer no. Ebe boapa. Ena Oshana unimu anu am move on to the next. About bet me answer more. Oh. Now I want some more no nyani na wrong so they one call you. Okay, Henrietta. What time no esha CCC here. Tom Brown product Duno Tom Brown, 2 keys Tom Brown, Tom Vita Tom Brown, Eka Obasima product no cry na no cry.
2 keys now name come.
Okay. True say Obasima product no ana Obasima product no enye ma ma omo afa yefunu ana. Okay, so which of these vitamins ewa Obasima sino emu bronze, silver, vitamin D, gold, vitamin D.
Vitamin D.
Okay. Obasima food product no eyama mofra anase enyama mofra. Okay. Obre no aso. Iti judges no omuguso ehwemu a yebehu ba bia ebekọ akosi. Next call anso emra na yenhwe ono so ne modembo a obetimi abo. Very simple, very easy cry. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
Fine, officer.
Una here first obema waborem. Iti bohomoden why?
Pachoyo.
Your friend saying?
Pachumdin
Eric.
Bachai.
Okay. Eric, it is said me can earlier no utimi answer more ebeboa wa. Why?
Okay.
More no so nyani na correct nso a ebeboa more pa. Why?
Okay.
All right. What time no shall say here. Which of these products ena ewo Obasima si no Sunny Gary mix ena fe Kobe Gary mix.
Kobe.
Now, which of these products ena any Obasima seal? Duno Tom Brown ena canned Tom Brown.
Dino.
Obasima foods no emma untimi maintain good healthy bone. Ewo emma mu enokra na enye nokre.
Enye nokre.
Obasima food product no so no eboa prevent anemia ewo emma emu omomodu omo reproductive age enokra na enye nokre.
Mache nokre.
Obasima foods no ensure better birth outcomes enokra na enye nokre.
Enokre.
Yeah. Era say eti koswana onsutie na yehwe said the ebekwa akosi ede amount ewa bra yehwe ye next caller na ye ne ono so atoa so enti say next caller ready am fan mre na fi ye ntoa so Yanko anim yenhwe. Hello.
Hello, brother.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Sister na to say.
Pache.
Na your friend saying.
Pache from Gloria.
Sister Gloria, why crado?
Pache.
And then now 45 seconds no e sha say sisi why?
Pache.
Okay. Now, which of these male celebrities ena ewo eye Obasima advert no emu? Clemento Suarez ena Fenso Acrobato.
Clemento Suarez.
Now, which of these female celebrities ena ewo eye Obasima advert no? Emilia Broby ena Fena Mama Brown.
Emilia Broby.
And which of these products ena ewo Obasima seal no? Benji biscuit, Lola biscuit, Shiny biscuit.
Lola biscuit.
How many minerals ena ewo eye Obasima food products name?
18.
Now, how many products ena Obasima seal no? Ewo sa product ewo. Ma last one, ma mention for more bim. How many food products ena Obasima seal no ewo ho?
7 products.
Okay, all right. You. Kera celebrate eti koswa na onsuti na yenhwe baby a ebeko akosi. Na fi yen prepare yen fire next caller. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. It is I.
Katayo.
Sister from saying
Celestina.
Celestina.
That's all right.
And Timmy from Cele. Oh.
Fine.
That's right. Cele 45 seconds.
Okay.
Now, a chance is here.
Okay.
What are the colors of the Obasima logo?
Green and gold.
What is the slogan for Obasima?
Since Obasima, stay strong, stay free.
Which of these products do not have the Obasima seal? Velveeta, Tomvita, and Tomtina.
Velveeta and another one.
Okay, all Obasima food products do not have 18 minerals and vitamins. True or false?
False.
Which institution have endorsed the Obasima seal?
AGI.
Akabako. Okay. Oh yeah. Eti also obena so yenhwe. At the end of the day, no, said the modern born BC Aquafa. You fire next caller. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. That is I.
Pache, you're not good.
Miss me where pa. From say.
Your friend is Mary.
Sister Mary.
Yes.
Bibi aboko there.
Adom.
Okay, me pacho 45 seconds no. A chance is here, right?
Pache.
All these Tom Brown products our Obasima seal no ho except Tomvita. Afa Tomvita original. Do not Tom Brown. 2 keys Tom Brown. Answer near the way.
Tomvita.
Aye no cry say Obasima food no. And you're good for pregnant women ana.
Pache. Yes, for pregnant women.
Now, which of these vitamins ena ewo eye Obasima seal no emu? Gold, vitamin D, silver, and bronze.
Vitamin D.
What's it?
Vitamin D.
Okay, Obasima foods no eyama mofra. No kre ananya no kre. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. Enti unso koswa neti na obeti enka. Abusua de omu ne say omo awie enti judges ne keka bom na yahwe who our winners are going to be for today. Achede and the modu chest freezer, food processors, bebre, microwave ovens, any idea nyina food product pina eka ho. Na chese waje na ukọ baby. Emu de ye pa nti bomode a se onso betimi ahwe na do ho agimu bi na bibia akọ ye kama kama de ama. Epacho just a minute na emfa de account aso.
Semi sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me twetwe me se. And mommy confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go so na me srea. Eya wawa me the Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twetwe me se. Oba de me pa e wo bi die mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy se wo bai e free mowa e boy se wo to kro. E se ahye ene e munka. She say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so ni. Yet center for.
Media magic Kale Chaco toothpaste at two. Me should not appear na draw me kodano. And mama see ye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi nama. Na me see 32 minutes na gusto.
En kaneno ani ama me ndu bidie twetwe yese no. Asaya bebi mu. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E mana hoden. Ne say yinka bia. Na wonu mi ram. Enunti wo amonum coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
Adi ejojo nka to ya tomo.
Boys number.
Why do you say Uber to invite players to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them? What do you say? Uber to me, I think I want you big games, no, I want them. Onya, what do you say? Uber enjoy home ground advantage. Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues a cuckoo them you know, bro, I want them. And now, Jajajeno for 89 Ghana Cedis, got you Go TV decoder. Any year, now upgrade called Go TV Max. No fear, yes, sir. Football, if you kasa. So, to new decoder, test the Go TV call short code 1731. Go TV, love it.
Drama from day one.
Hey, me network in Bafia me. I was me mobile money. See me with our Keska. Charges some 380 cedis. We send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me ati. So we be move work Vodafone cash and can we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Say me network ne there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so. Akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum tie asem de pa. We send this ka Vodafone cash swa e free. We send this ka free Vodafone cash. I got network bia swa and so you free. Masa it work atram. What that so you then was sour network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash say hey masa make shape not to ball am sisi a. I know say there we send this ka Vodafone cash so I got network bia swa e free. Send this ka do bia and prend do bia got network bia so free. Dial star 110 hash say in send this ka.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisam Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
And we are back. And Chibia, you better winners no. Now you who and omutimi inya chede no. And then also check it out on our Facebook page, near Facebook, Twitter, near all our social media platforms. No, you better post winners no so over there. I'm a one who dear call any dear by. In the meantime, Kate Tenasi, dear Queen Bias, say to me, now you didn't come across and the real weekend because I had a Jeff Vemano. Now my weekend let me at the Kate Aquaba and a Brenna Bunny, a bizarre there. Young Bonnie Tona fee and tears and
I say, wow, Brenna, some who say so painting. Mamma Nawasi. I mean, for Quenya so and Chia Adofwa 80 Adom FM and Enyumri. I mean, in Shawn Papa, weekend moon and a Urea and a room punessa. Into your best say, yin and I be fast for your Pumaden so you bo Yahumpina, young Conco Yaranko for how be Amre Busia. Now, the teacher in Jerome say, I can't our your communication and on a demo cotton papa.
Yeah.
Say what worry, not say communication, our room and your papa, only effective communication, our worry and check negu. Sana, one more a 2 for 5 warrior hono, you catch a war. Now, you can't effective communication in marriage, na a idea and Nasem so a kahumbi. Your man be broha, sabe, or moon nim said, Bob Brazil soccer. On the Jina Center crown or Bakushigo. adentra because omre won pemti afia obey 4 play obehu anu agem dada na che match no kra nya amaso nti se ne obey 4 play de ne akusu atam adu na che wa ntisa akokɔ de ne bi odene nsafa wo ho a no wagem no kɔ no baabi no kure ni ya na ani wu kakra emema no asebe wo mte sa 1 minute for na 30 seconds for no wo mo ani tu asa ya na ani wu ema sebe wo self esteem no kra bafem and next time so call hu ntini twe na pese ofre match kra na yo den ofere because ana no ofeli wo penalty no say no nti ze sa ze ball na hye wo nsem ana otwetwe ho kakra the senti na ye tu Ghana mema fo se bomodena se wonnim tirim se wo mre e wo mpamu a mese eba de ba akopa ne se achia ne mui ma wonsanka give us P capsules P no ejina ho ma power wonsaka give us P capsules na nsaka give us cool capsules no e de aka ho but usually me be fidie so atambia futu ayam de man se omo mienu ye ntafo ye nte won tem enti to give us P capsules no 2 a not to give us cool capsules no 1 na wafa e de abom enka se me fa we na we san ma fa we there be enye ne sa nimo ofa na alongside simultaneously ofa we na ofa we said the be beboa na give us cool capsules no jumadia edie ene se be ma bi asebe o ayam team being chronic and say acute no enye den now performance na ekofem de toso bi o se koko ne amaman so ajewa boso abema obema ye no ye den nwe peyo ni sent give us cool capsules no jumadia edie ne se yi se fi no amaman koko ene ayam team no eyi free hono mo sabe mpanisi ekuru a na dwoa ahweten etibra give us cool capsules na yi se fi ni nyina free system no na bokwan na kwan adam na give us P capsules no de wo yentini no ho adwuma nkakrakra edema it bi bia ya kwansidi a wontini no mu a sabe emma moja dodo ese tene ba obema no mu entimi ntene mamma bema ni ntimi nyina wiri kyen no eno na give us P capsules no be ye ho adwuma yi ni nyina efri hode aba wo enti utisi a na watiesi we a permanent solution when you who prem ni bi se manya baba wa bi oso baba besra me enti we dem komuni mienu na menini wi na sa ateko da bi we ntisa wonom ne ma wotisi a atiesi a natural remedy a ebebo am watimi agina wona so iye papa na yeda ye nuanom wa brochira moma ye send bi bremo no yeda mo ase papa because I am one say na brochira fo no mum na edi aduro no ho dance ye kire Ghana fo but ne kwanso anso no because sebe babrum kra Yesu kra ka kire Peter se masere mama udi ye ma ye mfiri nkirima na che se wo aduro no jewa enkawa no ntum na so wadi ho dance ye ade akire unua bi na de ma enipa sebe mema ye mre e wo mpam no emu baako eye masturbation na mema binom eye a sofo ka ho asompanimfo binom eka ho wo bra wo ye masturbation no ye wo ade bi wa dwene no mo ye frɛ no dopamine sa dopamine na be ma sa wo be ho wani beje so obesre so obewe a enne di akotene e woni paduanom etibra wo twetwe wo be ma na wo ye to aso no na sa a registration system no mu a e ma wo be ye so weak in bed a wo de sebe obade ne nsafa wo sere ho ana wa wo mu ana wa so achi kekekra utimi ejim intibasa na ma sebe sedem kan no o self esteem no na kofem untimi kra nkoma ape said you comfort kwa de kan no intibasa na ahadwene but so on saka give us P capsules and give us cool capsules na sedem kan P no beto 2 na what to give us cool no 1 uto wi a wa masturbation de frame ni enchiro kwan abefa so a exercise kakra bi abe de aka ho bra wo num give us P capsules and give us cool capsules no bonso watie si kama na onso de aseda amanyame so hunu eti give us P capsules no 2 and give us cool capsules no 1 fatu trim na eno achi no e bia wo de na kwakwa infection wanya ndemu ya die bibia sebe wakwakura tokro boni bi mu so hunu meme ya ni ya chinchini eti ama edunya wanu maduro wa wopane koi afi kona ba anasinsunsu aso na frase a eye eba biu ojonso ha ne sufita bi firi obema mu ba obehwe ne mogya kra ene firi mu ba na kye bacteria na didimu ache eno sa no so anhwe yie no ansa ne ntemo a koreba biu edue nyi wani ebe wono nso mpanisi etu ase ye nsene so wanhwe yie afi de na kodwoto na ne wadane akua so no wode kwaku nso firi ho ne yefre wakua mesro bomodena ne ma wonsanka give us P capsules no 2 na what to give us cool capsules no so 1 e de aka ho na leaflet na ewum no to bo ase ken kan na mako e be kiro the juice of dawns and nema esesa wo ye ne nema endisa wo ye wabra wo for give us P capsules and give us cool capsules no se wunima ken kan so a bible crossing nhira ne wo ken kan ene wo na wutie It means no be free ni ato ye bo ase akirikiri mu maako e de amount into be fa be wie no obo nse na wagina wona so kama give us P capsules and give us co capsules na be di ho adanse akireo na wo a wanya infection no tie die se wo de na ye nam yade STI na wanya what to give us P capsules no 2 and give us co capsules no 1 awie no me pa cho be kwa hwehwe lemon and a garlic be garlic na ya na nka me prefer local one no as a natural remedy advocate no na wafre na mato me bo ase acheche kwan abefa so a wo de lemon ne garlic no be di djuma a support give us P and give us co capsules no britia wa bi mu e betenete e de ama na emum ho to wi a tena wo yire nkwa ho eno de afutuo na me de ma opa na afa tena wo yire nkwa ho san ko chinchini no wansa nkwa nkwa biu eno achi no nso no e bia na wo de na akwa prostate enlargement e ya junso mu yade se ka se be ma bi enya prostate enlargement a na che sebe odwunso twa no prostate na hono nti emia na mana katare etese baalu a yahu na wode wonsa emia no atare nti basa emu kese na be ye ketoa nti dwunso kakra bi sande ba mu a bonse na dwunso de wo ukodwunso ya wo dan ho abetena se na foforo assessane abam na dwunso sa de wo nti ubedi adwunso fresa wo kwa ni na wo ko e basa enye good sign nti bomodena na wonso ma wonsanka give us P capsules treto ho na ya emviri give us P capsules obeto 2 not to give us co capsules no 1 e de aka ho na wo de ye junso mu yade na ye prostate enlargement no wakwa hwehwe abro etrinwi de friend counsel no say dry say fresh ni nyina ofra be ye be kiro kwan be fa so de be dijuma sabe wona mo bia brofuom no ankopan aburu no na emum ni trinwi na wo tete a menyi ni so be pa okronfo so na ye mfehwe kwan ye be fa so e betimi abo ama wade wo ho eno ye mo amanya prostate enlargement no na me kan nyina me se frɛ se obi buzaza na number ba ne mfrɛ Mr. number betimi afrɛ yen e wo so no dedi kan me de mienu na atudwa dedi kan no eye 0501 55 6828 tie number ni bio me to me boabo ni yesa de be ya betimi atworo eye 0501 55 6828 and I bit my free MTN line on see 0543 222 470. That's 0543 222 470 and also fra ye bejo so na nkomo bia ohobia no ye ne abo so pedro no bia to a pharmacy shop herbal shop and drugstore bia ben wono e ade a bowura mu a onsa ebetumi akabi na mo open doso puo atudi afre numbers a mede atudwa no wo tehia mobile e hono na give us ye retail shop no ewo ukohono ma onsa ebetumi akabi bomode na ye ho aduru netimi gina wona so na wo yere ampem akutia na mo obu esew se be ma no watimi ede amount Jerry ye do ase so wa ya kwanya yi
na de you ye da sepa mami vote quickly tell na fe yen na yen so so na ene ebre no atia ye ma mami vote nso emfa entoa so prekope na chese mami vote akwaba say bibia boko de nice ye de radiase ene ede na ekona ye monitor na ebre na tia na ye nso so
minimize oi de our sambi na ze recordo wo internet no minimize wonwa ehu bia ndano oyare hoda kakra osande two baba Merka Two Face, you are my African queen. Back to back, no. The sister no wa quiet today, grandpa of music.
Sure.
I want Nigeria. Na Two Baba na wife Annie Idibia, and then no you some exchanges been at all called social media. Brajeri oyare ho kakra.
Wow.
Oyare ho pa na ekenkanuma za worshawa ko kana za worshawa chinyinara ni de besiamu or accuse Two Baba de oido onyi ibinum so wamba ehu na say okredo or kwhwa number na onye wona akwakoda so aka ho dem na besiamu ka ha dem na besiamu ka
okwa no akoron
ni osi ni family oye benyi ni family no wo shada won accept na dam into no insults de bia no na alepene zo rigibi papa into no mbra so there sisiaro no why na dwundo ringi bio into amezo amare hopa because looking at Two Baba and Annie they have a very good relationship into if they were end just like that no I am your pa. I am your pa. Na brother you na no teenager ho. No onyim za o hihye wo fa. Into no majam this ho. Na mezebanyo hu bibi in de e wo social media o shock papa brother wi. But maza na hwe video imam je call for video not so do fa ma.
Je ko fa to so ne akwa ni.
Taxi. Was afa polytanker oyehu polytank ne kakra kapa wo ze si taxi na pompoma was rekona Ghana hade abazi na yelum fa yenyu brother like they be bosoro no na unkofur app on game e bosoro bia no na Ghana man na dwenjin be ko dru no oyehu papa je ko ododo ehu interno e share most my taxi na watam polytank ko za
yeah mama Facebook na mama hey na
I can't say. Titi.
Do want me in fact track beyond far BS just a taxi way.
Obomodo. You want to chunya should say as a auto taxi pan as I'm a driver.
Yes, and yes, and papa.
Auto taxi I'm a driver don't for you when I ride you.
Polytank crash with as we change taxi. I can't say. Oh, David.
Inti pa de most hard no me fa picture yi intro.
Okay.
Na picture me zi show yi oye John Dumelo na number boy na James Gardner number boy. Na picture na me feel pa ehu. What's daddy's duty? Okay. Daddy's duty. Inti weekend mo po cho ye job mo zna na chi wenyu ahwe woman. Bo mo zna na chi wenyu afa hwe woman. Picture na ye feel papa. Inti ba de me fan some ni si hade wo pe mo obutum na wa Adom online na we could read more am wan kasa ho ho. Sisi areze member na ye brent Mamudo Muzunze Mami Boatima, the Fantido, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Masardo.
Thank you.
GTV. Hey, to my fans, I know say you miss me. What rappers they can't wear them they do. As I drop no more fire, them more stuff.
All right, so Yana Yanfa Asidama, your proud sponsors, no more boy, my day fella, bro, na fi so age media so. And no Vodafone say nay, you can have an even greater morning with a Vodafone good morning offer. Now Nina say the good morning bundle unlimited cost to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks plus 500 MB of data. And the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So when you want, just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone good morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. Okay. Yeah, Cody weekend. And you want this sorry so near Diako any. And you mean Effie prophetess Bridget Ousu. Eya mama Bridget or si Onyamin chain. And only a this restaurant and you mean and I made dedicate Ediama. One lovely lady with a very beautiful voice. Magdalene. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Magdalene. Nyame Onsha no nyo kese na koswa to nwom fa ye radia ye dani dan nyina. And then we cry about live worship so ebebo apostle komuni ade. Magdalene, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Enjoy your birthday. Me patron here are the winners. And the winners na yenya ye no. Henrita and afi Eric Ishan Sanso and Gloria Gidi Majo Omo ena omo ye winners no mo amaka no so no mo eye prices a ye betimi e de amamu timpacho on be fremo na bibia ni a enkomodie no enso atimi akoso na yahwe kwan am be fa so a mo nsa e be ka mo ache de etimu amofra ni nyina no definitely you win something but omo a enya ultimate prize na nkasa no omo din ena me boboye no abusia weekend way aya koso aso beti Adom 106.3 FM nyame Adom a Sunday mo kasa see people they talk yeah this adwumadi ne be bro Sunday 3 p.m. Pokuya Wendy and then my two baby and then the bro na weekend we know omde dwumadi no free Jehovah is my friend and a bro sponsored by Joy Industries, Amelina Children's Haven, Apomudin Herbal Center, Jehovah is my friend restaurant and I feel so Awinbora spicy kebab side attraction or just souvenirs pina and a bit pimu amount for being near the celebrities no so pass through near the more casa inspired by Pukuya 101 concept. I was here to see. Yes, sorry, so now the new see and Cassebo at also. Say Nyame Adom na or the young kwa echenya. A Jordan, a best I know a shame beam. If you know me and some copies of when you menu see. It's check out time, lovely people. Obri ya boa fenten frame. And I feel so a trouble team when they can see a bono air trying so. As like a son come out so on air time. So I jibrate to Ofie Kwanso na Ochimuna Nyami Shapa. Na the Dion come out producers no. Papa Bill's African, James Style, J. Cole. Even come on now say I'm Pofwe J. Obri Abua Fenten Frame, Mammy Boat. Your friend Jerry Justice. Assembly about Cope. Ushio Miano Wachiano na Wasiriatreno. It's on Siriasi Munipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us. Do have a great evening and a great weekend as well. We out of